Hi, it's Laurel and I'm here at Art's Nursery Garden and Home. And I am just coming to get a little shot of spring color. We've got some gorgeous primulas in. Some of the ones back there, they're called Primula coco with all the interesting variegation. We've got some English daisies. We've got pinkaboo camellias that are just starting to crack open. And some other gorgeous, gorgeous color Hellebores, Primulas, camellias, witch hazel. Let's go take a look at the tropical greenhouse. We've got some beautiful started bulbs and combinations with Primulas. We've got beautiful little baby daffs. And Jordan's just sticker pricing a shipment that just came in. At the very back northeastern corner of our nursery, we have our camellias and our camellia greenhouses. And we've got some gorgeous ones just cracking into bloom. It's mid-January and the color here is absolutely gorgeous. Come and take a walk with me. We've got even more camellias in here. Let's take a look. So much cool spring color. Come and visit us if you need to go for a little walk, have a little shot of spring color or some tropical greenery. Just come and visit.